It is easy to see why black Promists had been such a success over the past 30-odd years. Its unique lowering of contrast, combined with a gauzy, painterly halation, adds a twist on the standard Pro Halation Spill-Effekt. Even at its lowest density, it delivers an effective and distinctive increase in the halation, which adds a pleasing dab of warmth that is not transported onto the skin tone values. This becomes more apparent when you use densities of 1/4 and above. In the heavier densities, the spill is quite aggressive from the practical light, with the warm tone becoming more apparent. Yet the subtle but effective look still continues to make the black Promist a staple filter and de facto look for many cinematographers in the digital world.